How to change your name on TrueCaller application. So let's go. Open the app. Then go here, click on this profile picture in the corner. And then click on this profile picture again. Okay, just click on this empty space. And here you can change your profile picture, but also you can change your name that you put when you register here. Okay, so I don't know, we're gonna change it to, my name is Marty, so Marty YouTube, and click save. And that's it. This is how can you change your name on TrueCaller application on your Android phone. Also it works on iPhones. Guys, thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe to the channel, and see you later. Goodbye.